Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about DSers. If you're not familiar with DSers, it's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. I've been using DSers for a while now, and I've found it to be a great way to make money online. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about DSers, including what it is, how it works, and the benefits of using it. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress. AliExpress is a Chinese e-commerce marketplace with millions of products. When you list a product on your Shopify store, DSers will automatically pull the product information from AliExpress, including the price, description, and images. Once you have a product listed on your Shopify store, you can start selling it. When a customer places an order for one of your products, DSers will automatically place an order with AliExpress. AliExpress will then ship the product directly to your customer. How does DSers work? There are 3 steps to using DSers. Create a DSers account. Connect your Shopify store to DSers. List products on your Shopify store. Once you have completed these steps, you can start selling products on your Shopify store. Benefits of using DSers. There are many benefits to using DSers, including no inventory. You don't have to hold any inventory, which means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping costs. Low overhead costs. DSers is a free platform, so you don't have to pay any monthly fees. Easy to use. DSers is very easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. Wide selection of products. AliExpress has millions of products, so you can find almost anything you want to sell. Fast shipping. AliExpress offers fast shipping to most countries. Good customer service. DSers has a good customer service team that is available to help you if you have any problems. Drawbacks of using DSers. There are also some drawbacks to using DSers, including profit margins. Because you're not buying the products directly from the manufacturer, your profit margins will be lower than if you were to source the products yourself. Quality control. AliExpress products can sometimes be of poor quality. Customer service. AliExpress customer service can be difficult to reach. Overall, DSers is a great platform for dropshipping. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide selection of products. If you're looking to start a dropshipping business, I highly recommend using DSers. I hope this video has given you a good overview of DSers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.